Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new boat we have available. This is a 2024 Scout 240 XSF. The exterior of this boat is the crystal blue full hull gel coat, which looks great with a Scout white Mercury 300 horsepower, 4-stroke. Full walk-through transom on the 240. Great layout on this boat. Very comfortable bow seating, very deep bow seating. Chase lounge up front with built-in armrests with deep storage beneath. All of these cushions do easily remove if you want to convert this area to fishing. And the backrests slide up and out of the way as well. Finished out storage up front that makes for a nice cooler. Both of those lockers are drained. Space for your anchor up front. Bow rod cup holders that can also accommodate a bow sunshade. JL speakers. Full glass windshield. Spreader lights fore and aft under the hardtop. Porcelain toilet. Lots of headroom in that head area as well. 9-inch Garmin screen with a Mercury vessel view display. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. Bolsters work independently of each other on the leaning post. You've also got the sea deck padded area, whether you're standing or leaning. Battery charger on board. Cooler beneath. Backside of the leaning post has rod holders and cup holders along with a stainless steel grab rail. Leaning post to the port side. A cockpit door to the starboard side. And a stern seat with a comfortable backrest that easily seats 2 adults. Got a service door to check and fill oil on top of that Mercury 300. And that is a walkthrough of this 240 XSF from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're right off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.